Hey there, grade school language learners! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to have a blast learning all about adjectives and adverbs. These are words that make our sentences more exciting and interesting. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Adjectives are words that describe or give more information about nouns. They tell us what something looks like, feels like, sounds like, or even tastes and smells like. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you're holding a juicy red apple. What word could we use to describe the apple? That's right, juicy. Juicy is an adjective because it tells us more about the apple. Can you think of any other adjectives we could use to describe it? Now, let's practice using adjectives in sentences. I'll show you some pictures, and you can tell me what adjectives we could use to describe them. Ready? Okay, here's the first picture. It's a cute little kitten. What can we say about the kitten? That's right, it's fluffy. Great job! Now, let's try another one. Look at this big blue ocean. Wow, amazing! Can you think of any other adjectives to describe the ocean? Next, we have adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe verbs or action words. They tell us how an action is done. Let's say we have a girl running. How do you think we can describe how she's running? Yes, with an adverb. Maybe she's running quickly or slowly. Those are adverbs because they describe the action. Can you think of any other adverbs we could use to describe how she's running? Now, let's practice using adverbs in sentences. I'll give you a few actions, and you can tell me how they're done using adverbs. Ready? Okay, the first action is speaking. How can someone speak? Yes, loudly or softly. Great job! Let's try another one. How about someone writing? Yes, they can write neatly or messily. You're doing fantastic. Well done, grade school language learners. You've learned all about adjectives and adverbs today. How awesome is that? Remember, adjectives make our sentences more descriptive, and adverbs tell us how an action is done. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. If you enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun language lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.